Hi, I'm Siri. Today we're making creative containers inspired by works in the museum collection. What is a container? A container is an object designed to hold something. Containers come in all shapes, sizes, and materials. Containers can store food or drink, display flowers, or hide special belongings. Some sculptures aren't designed to hold anything, but we could imagine what it would be like to be inside of them. Other containers lift off the ground. See how this cabinet balances on its legs. Today, I'm looking at photos of water towers taken by Bernd and Hilla Bescher. Water towers are large, elevated water containers. When the water is raised, gravity pulls on it, creating pressure. The water rushes down pipes to your sink. First, I notice how similar the shapes of the water towers are. They are close in size and have a base holding up a tank. As I look closer, I notice little differences that make each water tower unique. Some have a cone-shaped hat, some have text painted on, and some have a window in the bottom supporting structure. Today, water towers are marked with the name of a nearby neighborhood. You may have one near your home. To make my container, I'm using chipboard, paper, string, wire, glue, a small hole puncher, and scissors. I'm going to cut my own shapes and assemble a water tank. Feel free to use a ready-made small container you have around your home. I start by cutting a long rectangle of chipboard. If you don't have chipboard, you could use cardboard from a cereal box, or heavy paper also works great. I wrap the chipboard rectangle in a cylinder and glue the outside flap to the inside edge. While the glue dries, I put a piece of tape inside on the seam to hold the shape. To decorate my tower, I cut shimmery strips of paper to wrap around it. I glue them in place. I use the shape of my cylinder to trace the top and bottom circle for my water tower. I add a little space around the edge so there will be a slight overhang. Next, I make a base for my container using twisties wire. Lifting and balancing weight is tricky. It might take you a couple tries to raise the container. I make 2 circles with wire that follow the shape of my chipboard base. I connect the wire circles by weaving a wire vertically in between them, twisting to connect. Finally, I take a small hole puncher and punch 2 holes on the sides of my top and base. I punch matching holes on the top and bottom of my cylinder. A string weaves through the holes down each side of the tower and under the base. I tie a bow on top. I adjust the base to support the weight of the tower. Think about what you will store in your container. You can also give it away with a small gift inside it. I hope you enjoy making your own creative container.